as you guys know, blood flow is hair growth, so using this on the scalp especially can be a great opportunity to support hair growth. Hey YouTube, what's going on? Super excited for this video. If you are new to my channel, I am so glad you are here. I'm a cosmetic chemist specializing in natural hair care and the creator of this channel, Curly Chemistry, where I hope you guys understand your hair, ingredients, all the things from a cosmetic chemist perspective. And I also hope you guys start hair care lines as well. And today I am sharing 3 hair growth liquids for really dry type 4 natural hair. And we know about hair growth oils, we know about hair growth supplements, but let's talk about the liquids, the elixirs that can be used to not only support hair growth but also support moisturization. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so these liquids that I'm going to be talking to you guys about are actually botanical waters. Hydrosolves are another name for them, and they are achieved through steam distillation. And that's when you are taking like different flowers and plants and herbs, and you use a steaming process to not only collect the essential oil, but in our case for this video, the hydrosol. So you have this water with these amazing botanical properties. Okay, the first one is going to be lavender water, and basically you're taking lavender flowers, the buds, the plant itself, and you're taking it through the steam distillation process, and the result is this beautiful lavender hydrosol lavender water. Now what makes this so unique is that lavender water has a lot of organic compounds naturally, like lanolol, anthocyanins, phytosterols, and these organic compounds are tied to being antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal. So yes, you can use this on your hair, but I will also use this on your scalp as well, especially for those who have a really dry scalp. On top of that, there has been some research showing that these organic compounds tied to lavender can support vasodilation, meaning lavender can possibly help to increase blood flow. And as you guys know, blood flow is hair growth, so using this on the scalp especially can be a great opportunity to support hair growth. And then last but not least, lavender contains a lot of amazing antioxidants. And it's getting hot outside. Summer is around the corner, meaning we will probably be outside more often, and so will our hair. And with our hair being exposed to free radicals, this is definitely the time to incorporate products and ingredients that are antioxidants to help to protect our hair from free radical damage. Okay, so that is number 1, lavender water. Okay, number 2 is going to be rosemary water. Okay, now as you guys know, rosemary is very stimulating. You see it a lot of time in hair growth books because it's very effective at supporting hair growth because of that circulation and that stimulation within the scalp. But on top of that, because you have that water component, it's going to be also moisturizing as well. Now let's go a little bit deeper when it comes to the science. Rosemary has an amazing amount of small organic compounds that are very beneficial to us. For example, there's one called carcinoic acid, and carcinoic acid is actually known for having antioxidant properties. And then a major component of rosemary water is 1-H-cineol. Now this is a polyphenol that is known for supporting blood circulation to the scalp. In addition to that, rosemary has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. So if you suffer from dandruff, this can be a great option to incorporate into your regimen to help to minimize the dandruff that you are experiencing. Okay, and last but not least is going to be aloe vera juice. I cannot forget about aloe vera juice because in my opinion, it's definitely one of the best like plant-based water, liquids, gels that not only are great for the scalp but also for the hair as well. Now aloe contains a lot of amazing small organic compounds like anthocyanins, for example, and basically these are known for being anti-inflammatory, great for the scalp. On top of that, aloe vera juice contains a ton of polysaccharides, and polysaccharides are very compatible to our hair, especially our cuticle, because polysaccharides are known for giving how can I say, they're polymers, so they're jelly. They promote the jelly consistency that we know for aloe vera gel, but also it's still within the juice as well. So you're gonna get a lot of great slip regardless. It's gonna help to smooth the cuticle because of that compatibility. And then last but not least, as you guys know, aloe vera juice is acidic. So it's gonna help to maintain the pH, a proper pH of our hair. So great for pH balance. And on top of that, it's a humectant, so it's highly moisturizing. So this would be great also for those who have alopecia. Of course, consult with your trichologist or your dermatologist, of course, but aloe vera juice, being anti-inflammatory, can also be tied to preventing and even treating alopecia, because alopecia usually is tied to inflammation. So I would say give it a try, see how your hair responds, but of course, check with your doctor first before you do anything, just to be safe. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you like this video, please be sure to like this video, and to stay in the loop for more curly chemistry content, definitely subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop for more curly chemistry content. And of course, I do have a question for you. If you can go back in time and tell your 10-year-old self something about your hair, what would that be? Like, what advice would you give her? What words of encouragement would you give your 10-year-old self if you can go back in time? I would tell my 10-year-old self, I would say, Tanya, your hair is beautiful. Okay? Don't compare your hair to anyone else. That girl with the long hair, you know, who sits in the front, your hair is beautiful. You know, I think I would just tell her that. I would just tell that your hair is beautiful and don't compare your hair to anybody else. So what would you tell your 10-year-old self? What advice, what tips would you give her? Comment below, let us all know, and I cannot wait to have a conversation with you. And if you want to learn more about your hair from a cosmetic chemist perspective, check out the Curly Girls Guide to Hair Care Ingredients and the Natural Hair Care Wisdom Flashcard. These are resources that I created just for you to learn more about your hair and ingredients from a cosmetic chemist perspective. I have a link and a promo code below for you as well. And if you're interested in starting a hair care line, no matter where you are in the world, you can work with me one-on-one, and I have a link below for you, also with more information. All right guys, I love you, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.